Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Tickmill to Tradingview. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account in Tradingview? Launch in the browser of your choice and look at the search bar. In the search bar of the browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, that's going to take you right into this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to connect Tickmill to Tradingview. First off, you can check the list of all the brokers to see if Tickmill or Tradingview supports Tickmill. And how do you do that? Head over to the top of your screen, click on the Brokers tab, and search for Tickmill. Now, for you to successfully connect Tickmill to Tradingview, you need to open the chart of any markets that you choose. You can click on those markets for you to search a market or use a search bar. Now, I have opened my Tesla market, and this is the chart for Tesla. So if I want to connect Tickmill, I'm going to scroll the way down where I have Stock Screener, Pine Editor, Strategy Tester, and Trading Panel. I'll click on Trading Panel, and it's going to take you right here. So scroll the way down and click on See All Brokers so you can see all of the brokers here. Now let's see. Let's find Tickmill. If you find it before me, say hiya. All right, got it. Now click on Tickmill. Okay. All right, so this is it. Now you have this connect button right here. It says by clicking connect, you confirm that you've read the warning and terms of use and accept or risk. Go ahead and click on connect. And that's going to walk you right into the sign up page for Tickmill, where you can log in and complete the connection process. Okay, so from this sign up page, you're going to add your username and password and just go ahead and click on signing. And that's pretty much it. So you'll be able to connect Tickmill to Tradingview. So that's pretty much the process. Now we can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.